3, 2, 1, go.
Moving into round 3 of our first match, match 3 of our first round, we have fuel scored up in that red hub by 1507, 5811, and their human player, well on the blue side, 9767, continues their strategy, pulling themselves up to that first rung while their partners score in, and it's dead ringers from both of the human players at the same time, ending our autonomous period. It's going to put blue ahead going into teleop, or maybe red ahead, as they have 29 fuel to blue's 31, which means blue is going to get that first shift despite what the scores say. We're going to see that Blue Alliance take control of the field with their hub active. 7166 is lining up, ready to fire, as we see 695 lining up and scoring into an unactive hub. Meanwhile, on the blue side, 5811 lines up and also blocks 7165. That's going to be PRR as they tried to score but get pushed out of the way. Back over on the red side of the field, 695 is ready to score with 1507, and in goes a double stream of fuel into an active hub this time. Things are going well for this Red Alliance, but the Blue Alliance is not far behind. Alliance 2 is fighting to keep their position in the upper bracket. We have 2 surfing robots on blue, but they're pushing each other off. Our red hub becomes inactive, back to the blue shift for shift number 3. 9747 goes over the hub onto the blue as their hub is active, ready to launch in, facing some defense from 5811, the Bonds, as they launch some up into the air towards the hub, but it can't seem to make it in. That defense is heavy, but they're getting through it as we get ready to shift back over to red. 4085 goes under the Trents, pushing some fuel back into the neutral zone, trying to collect it. 695, your second Alliance captain, that's Bison Robotics, launches another waterfall up into that red hub, joined by their partners, as 4085 technical difficulties comes over and plays a little defense on them. We're about to enter the end game in just 5 seconds, where both hubs will be active. 1507's in the neutral zone, getting ready to assist their partners in launching and upping the scores. 4085 stopping 1507 from getting over to the red, but they evade. Meanwhile, on the blue side, 9767 trying to score. They evacuate their robot of fuel, and up onto the second level they go with a question, where's the ground? They found it as the robot unfortunately tumbles down with 5 seconds left. We'll see if they can get back up. More fuel fired up by 1507, 695 up on some fuel, rounding out the match. We'll have your official scores very shortly for this match as those last second fuel. Let's see the scores. Staying alive in the upper bracket is the Red Alliance. That's going to be Alliance 2 with a score of 310 points. But again, it's not the end of the road for Alliance 7. We'll see them again in the lower bracket, round 2, match 6. Alliance number 2 again in the upper bracket, round 2, match number 8. We'll be right back for the last match.